Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning. This is the last part of standard form. We will be doing standard form to a given number of significant figures. So our objective, our target for today's lesson is able to round numbers expressed in standard form to a given number of significant figures. So artinya you will have you will probably need to convert or change ordinary number to a standard form number, but this time you need to be aware of the significant figures. Okay, the steps to success is the same except for this one. Write A with the correct significant figures. Yeah, A and E you have to be careful. Okay, so example number 1. The speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light ini how fast light can go in vacuum. Vacuum means there's no particles in it. It's empty. So speed of light in vacuum is 299,792,458 meters per second. That's the speed. So it can go this far in 1 second. So that's really fast. Okay, write this in standard form. Okay, this is what we've learned before. So 299,792,458. So that's a very big number. So that's why it's important that we learn how to write in standard form so that we can shorten this. Okay, make it more simple. So let's look at this. A and E must be equal to 1 or bigger than 1, but it has to be less than 10. So in this case, 299,792,458 meters per second. Write in standard form. So you want the decimal point to be here, because if we put it here, then it's going to be less than 1. It cannot be less than 1. So if we put it here, if we put this decimal point here, it's going to be more than 10. So we cannot do that too. So the decimal point can only be here. 2.99792,458 times 10 to the power of what? Okay, since there's no decimal point here, so automatically we know that it's here. This in here. So now we are moving it to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it means 10 to the power of, is it 8 or negative 8? You have to look back here. This is a big number, so it must be positive 8. Okay, now the problem with this is, look, even though it's in standard form, there are still so many digits. That is why we have to put, sometimes we have to put another condition. Okay? Same question, but the difference is, give answer to correct 3 significant figures. So artinya we only want 3 significant figures, 3 digits. Okay, so 299,792,458 meters per second. Just now we already turned it into standard form. It looks like this. Meters per second. But now we want it to be 3 significant figures saja. So we've learned about significant figures. I hope you remember how to do it. So you go from the left and then you count 1, 2, 3. So we want 3. So we stop at there, cut it there. But remember, when we want to round off, we have to check the number, this one at the side, to tell us whether we're going to keep this 9 or plus 1. But as you can see, 7 is more than 4, more than 5, so we have to add 1 here. Okay, when you add 1, 9 becomes 10. So plus 1 lagi sini, 9 becomes 10, so another 1 here. So the final answer is, okay, let me show it to you. 2.99 plus 1 kan sini. So this one, 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 here, 10. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so the final answer here is 3.00. Oops, sorry, I forgot the times 10 power 8 di sini. Okay, so times 10 power 8. Correct to 3 significant figures. Alright, so the difference between what you learned before and today is, Nina, you ada another condition, that is how many significant figures. Okay, another example. The radius of the sun, radius of the sun, this is the sun, is 695,508 kilometers. So from here, radius kan, from here to the middle ni is 695,508 kilometers. What is the radius of the sun written in standard form? Give answer to correct to 3 significant figures. So there's a condition on how you want to write the standard form. Okay, so 695,508 kilometers. So you want the point to be here because we want to follow the condition di sini. So now the easiest way to do it is using moving the decimal point method. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 6.95508 times 10 power 5, positive 5, because look, the number is really big here. Okay, don't forget the condition, 3 significant figures. So we count from the left, 1, 2, 3. Cut sini. Okay, and then you check. Oh, this is 5, so it means this one must be plus 1. So the final answer is 6.96 times 10 to the power of 5. So that's the final answer. Okay.